What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Check out our fire merch in the link in the description. I'm Kiko.
And it's your boy BJ.
And you're watching Tuck TV.
Out of body with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
What's going on, everybody? Back again with another episode, working on BJ's Lowrider bike build. We got some stuff laid out right here. Everything that we're gonna need for this whole little project. We'll give you a rundown on that here in a second. Alright, so basically right now, we taped this off right now just to get an idea of what we're gonna do with when we fiberglass it. This is one of the pieces for the rear. BJ's got the centerpiece right here that we're gonna do for the design in the middle. And we got that. See, this is the design of the bike that we're gonna go for. We're gonna transfer this onto 1/2 inch MDF. What we're gonna do is we're trying to get rid of this bar piece right here. So we're gonna use the wood to fill that gap right there. And when we fiberglass everything, it'll be a lot smoother. And then when we bondo it, it'll be pretty close to being flat. What we got here, fiberglass mat. BJ picked up some pans. You guys seen that in the other video. We got a staple gun so that way we can staple the mat to the wood. Bondo from when we're done fiberglassing it. We're gonna use this bondo glass right here to bond the wood to the actual frame to hold it in place for the meantime of us fiberglassing it. With the spray adhesive, we're gonna use that for the mat. What we're gonna do is, came up with the idea, we're gonna stain this and protect the wood since we're gonna be covering it up. So that way it protects it and stops it from getting any moisture or anything in there. We got rubber gloves for dealing with the fiberglass and all the stuff. Got a bunch of paintbrushes, jigsaw, got our drill, got a router just in case we want to round off the edges of the wood. And we got some other tools right here. And we got these for the bondo. And also got bondo spreaders and a whole bunch of other auto body work stuff in there. We're gonna get cracking on this. We're gonna outline these real quick and get these cut out so that this design right here is all drawn up by BJ. BJ did the whole drawing of this, and came up with this idea. It's a pretty dope idea. The chain's gonna come back through here and the back wheel's gonna be in there. But you guys see how the neck is dropped and then it comes up a little bit and then it's gonna be flat the whole way across, and then you can see how it steps up. Alright guys, so we took off the tape, BJ primered this thing and got it all nice and ready. And also right now what we're going to do is we're going to take Bondo glass, the same thing I used on the Rocket Bunny Civic, put the brackets on the kit, on the over fenders. I'm going to use some of this right here to get this side and down here and around to basically hold it in place, so that way we can spray adhesive the frame and start laying down our fiberglass mat and staple it down to the boards, and then we'll go from there. But I'm gonna get this side fiberglass on, flip it over, do the back side. I'll have to cut 2 little notches, one for the chain guard by the sprocket and then one for the chain guard by the back wheel that bolts up. You guys probably didn't see too much of that, but I got BJ using the heat gun on it so that way we can get this Bondo glass to cure, because it's hella cold out here. Still a little tacky. These are for, I believe, wood. A Sureform. If you see how this is still in its drying stages and not all the way hard, I mean, you can still take this pieces off of the frame. But I want to show you guys something with the Bondo and with this. If you just use this will level it out. So it's like a cheese grater. You can see all the fine pieces of it. So if you guys ever do something like this, or ever do auto body, this right here will save you sandpaper and save you some money. So far what we got is the Bondo glass holding the wood onto the frame. And just for an idea for you guys to understand how strong this is the front piece with the whole frame, and the middle, and then the back. And that's not even the back side, because obviously you can see it's already pretty sturdy. So we're gonna flip it over, put the other pieces, and get those ones on.
Get that bag, get through.
Alright guys, so you guys see that we got the frame, pretty much how we're getting the design made. We got everything cut out, got our stencils cut out. You guys will get the idea of what we're doing. We're gonna get some more bondo glass so that way we can make these a little bit more flush before we actually put the fleece on there. So we'll have more episodes of this coming soon for you guys.
Hit that notification bell. Don't forget to check out our merchandise in the description down below. Click the link. Check out the Tuck TV store. Peace, motherfucker.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you fucking do you? Like I did it, can't do it, can't get it. Oh, run it up, play it up, play it up. Weed like a rock, smoke weed like a rock. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets.